Jen Eden here. I am the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method. If you've been following me a while, you now know that I am also the founder of the new anti-inflammation freedom membership. Super affordable way to witness and explore and enjoy the new home of the Sugar Freedom Method. Now, today I'm going to talk to you about inflammation. There's so much talk about it, but no one seems to really understand what it is. So before I do that, I always just say there's a button somewhere below this video, and please subscribe if you love my tools, tips, and strategies for living a non-addicted, sugar freedom way of life. Okay, so let's just talk real quick about what the heck is inflammation, right? We throw this term around a lot the way we throw around the word stress. And I like to simplify everything ad nauseum for those who know me. So my most simplified ad nauseum, simplified way to say what inflammation is look, when the body is hurting, from things we eat, we drink, high stress, high cortisol. Believe it or not, you can get inflammation from working out too hard. What happens is the body starts to hurt. And the root cause of all dis-ease in the body is, guess what? Inflammation. So we wake up and our hands hurt and we're like, shoot, what is that? That's inflammation. When we get rashes, eczema, when we get migraines, that is some form of inflammation in the body. A lot of times in those particular cases, it's from things that we are eating, okay? We are highly inflamed. We're eating things that are inflaming us from the inside out, and we get migraines, and we get rashes, eczema, the psoriasis, okay? These are all issues in the body that are caused by high inflammation. Now, bloating. I hear this one all the time, bloating. Bloating is inflammation in your gut lining, okay? In your stomach, in your gut, in your small intestine, large intestine. When that gets inflamed, we get bloating. We get many things, but one of the things we get, especially in our stomach, is we get bloating. So this today is more about what is inflammation versus, how do I heal it? I will get to that, so stay tuned. But in the moment, when people say, what is inflammation? That is what it is. It is the body hurting. And there are many things to do to bring down inflammation, but until we understand, well, what is it? Right? It's this amorphous, I don't understand it. And hopefully from today, you're starting to understand some of the symptoms to know you're inflamed, right? And some people say, well, I don't have any joint pain and I don't really bloat, but I carry weight that will not leave me, Jen. And I go, oh, sister, you are inflamed, okay? A body that will not lose weight is inflamed. That could be thyroid issues. That could be, believe it or not, you're not sleeping, okay? That is directly related to stubborn weight that will not leave you. But for today's education, today's lesson, please start to just see inflammation as the root cause of all disease and all these symptoms that I just talked about, all these things, these discomforts that we are challenged with, they're from inflammation. So if someone's just giving you a supplement or someone just tells you to exercise more, yes, to lose the stubborn weight, or someone says, oh, I've got a cream for you for your eczema, or you take a lot of Tylenol or Advil for your migraines. It's okay, no judgment, but you have to know you're not solving the root cause of the issues. Those are just more of a Band-Aid. What we do in my practice in the Sugar Freedom Method and now in the Freedom Membership is we help heal the root cause of inflammation. So please don't be duped. Don't just go out there and buy products and supplements and creams and all these other things that they'll sell you. Start to really research and understand what inflammation is, okay, and where it comes from. Okay, so with that said, As always, if you have not subscribed to my channel, but you really enjoy my no-nonsense, get right to the point, practical tools and tips, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back in touch soon.